guys. So, welcome back to the birthday vlog. I am at the hotel. I've been here for like a couple hours. I ordered room service and I'm also putting in my clip-in, so please don't mind my hair. It's only halfway done. So, what did I get? I got these garlic aioli fries and this chicken sandwich, which I'm very excited for. I ordered cake on Uber Eats, so I'm waiting for that to get here, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and get that. And I have a massage at 7:45 p.m. and I'm supposed to be drinking, but I don't have a chaser, so that kind of sucks. But I thought I'd just give you guys a mukbang. Don't worry, there's a towel down. So I'm 27 years old today. Crazy, no? Wait, let me just eat for a second. I was gonna get a grilled cheese with this instead, but I was scared. Oh, my nails. I'm sorry, this is just too good because I'm starving. Fuck, I should have got something to drink because there's not shit to drink. Like, I really just need a chaser for my tequila. And I need, just more water. Okay. Let's try a chicken sandwich. I got grilled. I was gonna get fried because it's my birthday, but I'm eating cake later and I'm drinking and there's calories in that shit, so let's see. It's fake sweet. I don't know why it's sweet. Like the bread. But it's good. Ooh. I need like 3 more bites of this and then a couple fries and then I'm back in business, babes. I'm sorry, like, I wanted to talk in this video, but I was just too hungry. So you guys are getting a mukbang instead. And food hits way harder when you're hungry like this. Okay, that was gross. Okay. I'm happy. But yeah, what was I saying? I still have like a couple pieces to put in, like 1 or 2 pieces to put in on the side, and then I have the whole like right side of my head. I'm doing a side part. And then I'm gonna relax until it's time for my massage. Oh no, I'm gonna relax until my cupcakes get here, and I'll come back and I'll show you guys my cupcakes. I promise you guys, today's more eventful and relaxing than it seems. I'll give you guys a room tour later too. But love you. See you soon.